Director. And now, let us hear a message from our Regional Director, Fire Chief Superintendent Romel C. Trajo, sir.
Okay, good morning. Members from the ARTA will be visiting our region. So, schedule na sila, diba? So, in the offices, be sure na you will act promptly kung may mga module sa inyong mga offices. Be sure na you entertain it very respectfully, as well as yung action ay immediate. Less important man tanawon, pero base mga representative na ng ARTA yun. Okay? So nakaschedule sila mag-visit sa ato to check kung compliance ba tayo sa ARTA ng mga policies regarding sa ARTA. So admin, logistics, ano pa bang frontliners natin. Or even sa mga nakatagong opisina, basing dito mato. Okay? And be sure to ensure na speak and span ang inyong uniform. You should have your IDs in your uniform proper. You wear your IDs all the time. Okay? Ano pa bang And cleanliness din sa atong area. So napamudagan mga palayan karon napaipan. Okay, so let's work together. Be strong and courageous sa atong mga dealings, sa atong pagtrabaho, pag-perform sa atong mga services, and diligently kailangan tayong magiging effective sa atong services. Okay? Be vigilant also sa mga anything na naamoy ma-detect, immediately inform yung sa pinaka supervising officer. So Sergeant Tablon is our respo, so you have to inform him immediately kung may mga untoward incidents or may mga unusual na mangyayari. Okay? So, vigilant and diligent sa ito pag-imong trabaho. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much for the reminder, sir. May we call on any announcement from different divisions and sections? Ma'am, sir? There may be none. Let us now sing with honor and pride the Bagong Pilipinas hymn, to be followed by the BFP hymn.
Sa ito ang kinakailangan, tayo na tumutulong na upang mahal na
That concludes our traditional Monday flag raising ceremony. This has been your host, FO2 Bagay. Thank you, and let's have a safe and productive week ahead.